Today.
Well, today we're heading out. We're gonna have lunch together there at a restaurant we've never been before. We wanted to go there. Oh, there's somebody got stopped, probably speeding or something.
Oh,
but
yes.
whatever. And we're heading to. We went there a month ago to try to see a motorcycle show, but it was raining too much. And then another windy, ugly day today. But my wife and I are going there. I heard there's really good food there, so we're gonna go give it a try. And then we're gonna do a little shopping at Costco. Then we're gonna do a little Canadian Tire. Just getting out and about. So thought we'd bring the camera along just to bring you guys along with us. The wife's gonna try roast beef and potato, and I'm gonna try veal cutlets. Veal cutlets are so good, so I'm hoping it's good food. And Blackjack's Roadhouse, that's where we're going, and it's right close to Costco up here. So
My husband just come home today or yesterday. Last night.
No, today I got home at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah.
Oh,
So
how?
I got home.
Come home. Yeah, how when my sweetheart come home, we like go outside for eat whatever, you know.
But
have fun.
we're gonna go to Costco and today Blackjack's Roadhouse. You see the sign there?
Oh,
It's
there.
Blackjack's Roadhouse. Oh, there's
Restaurant.
Blackjack's
Beef
Roadhouse.
restaurant.
Well, the rest stop. It's a rest stop for trucks, and what the people I work with, the truck people I work with, say, come here. So yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go on in here. 2nd of 2026 here, but holy windy. Let's go on in here and check it out.
Today we come to this restaurant to try. We never come here actually.
So where do you want to sit?
This way.
That's more of a drink. Well,
We still sit this way.
little booth. It's kind of in the middle of the bar. It got a good view.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and they got lots of like a museum pictures hanging everywhere.
Never come here.
No, we'll see. We may be back here more, or this may be the last time. So we'll see. We'll give it a try.
Actually, this is a big restaurant.
Oh, it's a big restaurant. You could hold a lot of people in here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big restaurant actually.
So, okay, good enough till the food comes, babe.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe have some special game, you know. Then we come here.
Yeah, it looks like pool. I don't know. They probably got some little gambling machine somewhere in here.
Can I grab you guys anything else for the moment?
No,
Yeah.
thank you.
No, we're all good.
Go careful your sleeve, my love.
Wow. Oh, those. Just like.
Cutlets, mashed potatoes, and carrots. And you
No.
you got the same thing
What
except.
is this?
Well, that's mushrooms and onions. You got mushrooms. There.
I will get a mushroom. Yeah, how beautiful. Wow.
We'll
See,
see.
it's beautiful there.
Well, we'll see.
Yes, you say it's good. Okay, try
Like,
one.
is this all mushrooms?
No.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
no onion there.
Oh, you get onion, I get mushroom.
Yeah, you want this?
Mushroom for me, sir, for sure.
Yeah,
You want
well,
to eat?
Here's the veal cutlets underneath here. And it's like
It's beef.
young beef. Yeah.
Oh, young beef. What is young beef?
Oh, this is not very old.
Try that. Okay, then.
And you got pot roast.
It's my meal.
Pot roast with carrots and mashed potatoes. Same thing here.
Beef,
so-
mashed potato, curls.
So
and then
you're-
my sweetheart don't like
I
mushroom.
don't
He
like
gave
mushrooms,
me mushroom.
but my sweetheart loves mushrooms.
I love mushroom. Okay,
So-
you get some onion.
No, there's no. I don't need.
Okay, you can try a little bit.
I'm
No,
not gonna try mushroom. Why would
Wow.
I don't understand
My
why
sweetheart
people
don't like
mushroom.
mushroom. I like mushroom.
I
Most
don't
people like
understand-
mushroom.
I don't understand why. Anyway,
It's
that
my
looks
meal.
really good. And you got butter,
Mash. How do you call it? Roast beef.
roast beef, and I don't
Roast
know what
beef.
the,
How cook?
Well, it's just a roast,
like-
pot roast, and they cut it up. And this, I think, is like horseradish or something.
All right. Oh, I like that.
So
No
and butter.
How? Yeah, they have the like a 咸菜, like little bit pickle, like
Yeah.
this is butter. How?
Hey, you want to pass me the salt?
course. Pepper.
No,
好，买老公
Okay.
eat it first.
So mine is the veal cutlets here. I got 2 of them. The gravy is really, really dark.
Wow, it's really dark.
Let's,
Really good,
let's,
really
let's
good.
give the
Oh,
potatoes
my
and gravy a
God.
try here.
Oh my god. It's good? It's
alright.
I like this restaurant. This restaurant is big, huge. Oh. You got it. How big is it?
Here's our meal. Here I got veal cutlets, mashed potatoes, carrots, and Mom got
It's like that. Beef.
But-
Not bad.
carrot.
Long time.
That's good. Turn that off.
How much is this, logo? I need this pepper.
$5.
$5, good.
Yeah, get it. Right there.
Garlic here.
Yeah, get
Ginger.
it.
Ginger. Oh, garlic here. Garlic, for sure good garlic. Oh, this one. Garlic. I like this cucumber.
Tomato right
Yeah,
there.
tomato you need one.
There's more tomato here, darling.
Wow.
Right here. Maybe better, I don't know.
Yes, one better. Oh, this one. Just for I cook a show, I need one. Yeah. Little. Ha. Ha. This is mine.
Okay.
What else? Hey, 老公 Next time I say well, I want to cook water for you. Use this beef.
You
Yeah, I
want,
forgot.
you want to cook a roast?
Those beef, those we can buy like this. You say, I forgot. Yeah,
Thin
cut.
slice. Why
It's
would it-
hogo.
Oh, man.
Very good. Hogo very good. For hogo, for hogo. For hogo, eh? 切了呀，你这个是好白。It's good. 才这个题。Beef. Chicken. This is chicken. This is chicken. In 21.
I just grabbed one.
No, 21. Ha!
See what it is, though. man.
This one's good. You can cut
Sirloin
the
tip. Sirloin tip holes.
This one. 아이고. Those is this cheese 공.
Fresh
Pizza
natural
cheese, sir.
cheese curd.
Yes. Yeah. Hand logo I told you. $17 ha. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, I like Canada cheese so good. This cheese very good. Go.
Okay.
好的 cheese 好的 I
Okay.
want to use put the cheese here. Yeah, cheese 好的 tomato. Ginger, chili, pepper, cucumber.
I'm gonna get water.
How many
coffee.
cheese? How many cheese? Cheese. This cheese is very good too. This cheese. Ah. And this pepper, huh?
Regular 32.50 on for 26.
Go work out.
21.
2% low by 3. Too fat.
It's good till 24.
Okay. Where's the coffee?
We always need these.
我本其实I think I can go.
Here, let's get your coffee.
I can use that. Yeah, but this coffee always.
Lavenza.
好好。19
That's
It's
this one
an
right here. That's
good, good.
I don't know. I think we
How
get
much
it.
one?
12.
How much is this?
I told you, $12. Okay, here they got some wine sauerkraut for $6.49 for 2 liters. And we like this. It's just cabbage and vinegar, and you put it on hot dogs, you put it on potatoes. It's real good.
I like this. This one very good. You know, cabbage. 北菜.
So it's $30. How much a kg?
This is
$15 a kg, so this is 6 pounds.
okay. Buy one.
Okay, we'll give it a
Cook
try.
for you. Today I cook
Beef rib,
beef ribs. Huh.
beef back rib.
How much is that?
$30.
Okay, buy one. Let's go.
Okay.
Fast. Fast, go. Okay.
But we got things that need to be in the freezer, so we need to get going home.
Huh?
We got freezer things there. Tomorrow we go out. Oh no, I want to stop. Full card here at Costco today. It cost us $392, but we got a lot of things.
A
Some
whole
things
lot.
are
I
gonna
will
last
show
for a
you good.
while. $192.
400, 392.
This one here is the fast rolled oats. This is the regular one here. Just rolled oats. It's nice, big, and flat. The kind you like.
Natural.
It's big. Yeah.
Nothing
Canadian
here. I
Prairie.
don't like it inside of this.
Oh yeah, it's natural.
This one.
there. Yeah.
How much is this one?
$3.50. And
This
see,
one.
this one here is just so small and cha-cha-cha.
Oh no.
And you
I don't
cook
like
this one fast.
No,
This
I
one's-
don't want the fast.
Yeah,
That's
this
a
one's
good
the regular.
one.
This is the regular
No
one.
fast is
Yeah.
good one.
This
Okay,
is
this
a good
one.
one here, yeah.
Oats.
And you can close the bag again, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, good.
Okay. We're done?
Done. This
Okay,
is
let's
this.
go.
Let's go.
Beef
Ribs.
back ribs.
Beef back ribs.
Okay.
牛排骨. Three, 7, 5, start. I'm waiting for. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, how tender. Very tender. 已经软趴了。哎，看。I already show you how tender it is. Look.
sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get sinking in and know it. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
This is I don't like it. Here.
So good.
Yeah. I did this. I did this. And then you say eat it so good. Take. You take one. Lips 그리고 와인 is better.
Sinking
No
in
water,
and know
just-
this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a
Tastes very good. Very, very good gravy.
Take a